Hello everyone. In this module, we will learn how to apply page borders to a MS Word document. Now, let us see the steps that are to be followed to apply the page borders. See, the Word document is already opened and I've written the steps to apply the page border here. The steps to open a Word file has already been discussed in my previous video. The link of it is given in the description box. Now let us see the steps to apply a page border to a MS Word document. To begin with, we have to click on the Page Layout tab on the menu bar. Now come to the page background group. This is the page background group. Select page borders. Under the page border tab, you see various styles are there. You can select a style according to your choice. So I am selecting this style. See, color. You can choose a color. I have chosen a dark red color. You can change the width. I am changing the width to 680. And once I click on OK, you will see the border gets applied to the page. You see the border gets applied over here. Come to the full screen view and see full screen reading view and the border is shown. Now see, there is one more option called art through which you can select a picture as your border. Whatever picture is given, I can select one. I have selected and see the picture gets applied. Again move to the full screen reading view and see the picture gets applied as the border to the entire page. Now let us see other options. See, under the setting I have other options like none. None will remove the border. Similarly, box will apply the border to 4 sides of the page. Shadow will give a shadow effect to the border. 3D will give a 3D effect to the border, and custom, using that custom I can remove the border from whichever sides I click on. See, now I'm clicking on the lower bottom. See, that portion, the border gets removed. Now to remove the entire border, I click on none. You see, I have no borders on the page now. Again, moving on to the full screen reading view, you can see that there was no border on the page. Now remember that if you are working on Office versions 2013 and above, then the page border option will be coming under the Design tab on the menu bar. Or else if you are working on Office versions lower than 2013, then the Page borders option will be coming under the Page Layout tab in the menu bar. Now let us quickly revise the steps that are to be followed to apply a page border to a MS Word document. Step 1. We have to select the Design tab or the Page Layout tab depending on the Office version that you are using. If you are using an Office version of 2013 and above, then you have to click on the Design tab, or else if you are working on an Office version lower than 2013, then you have to click on the Page Layout tab. Step 2. In the Page Background group on the Design tab or on the Page Layout tab, click Page Borders. This will open the Borders and Shading dialog box with the Page Border tab selected. Step 3. Select the setting, style, color, width and art of the border. Step 4. Click OK. You will see that the selected border will be applied to the page. Hope the topics were clear to you. Thank you.